Meet the CYCROWN CycFree-MAX, your ultimate companion for urban commutes and off-road adventures. Equipped with a 750W motor delivering up to 1000W peak power, the CycFree-MAX conquers complex terrains effortlessly, with up to 70 Nm of torque and a top speed of 32 km per hour. From city streets to challenging trails, experience smooth and powerful rides wherever you go. Enjoy the freedom of longer trips with the 48V20Ah removable battery, offering a range of up to 120 kilometers. The intelligent battery management system ensures safety and extends battery life. The combination of 20-inch puncture-resistant tires and dual shock absorbers guarantees a smooth ride, providing comfort and stability on all terrains. Switch effortlessly between 3 working modes: boost your pedaling power, cruise in full electric mode, or ride traditionally with pedal-only mode. Adapt your ride to suit any need. Stay visible and safe with intelligent lighting, including front and rear lights, turn signals, and a digital LED display. Ride confidently, day or night. The CycFree-MAX comes 100% pre-installed for quick assembly in just 12 minutes. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Elevate your riding experience with the CYCROWN CycFree-MAX power, performance, and convenience in one revolutionary package. Ride smart, ride far, ride CYCROWN.